Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Amy Carter. Many women suffer from the daily pain and discomfort of having uterine fibroids. Well, the way to find relief and get your life back is with UFE treatment available at the Virginia Interventional and Vascular Associates, or VIVA. To tell us more is Dr. Samer Hijaz. He is an interventional radiologist at VIVA. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit about your medical education and expertise.
Sure. So I'm local to Richmond. I've lived in Richmond for 12 plus years, went to medical school down the street here at VCU, did my residency training at VCU, and did my fellowship training in interventional radiology at Georgetown.
Wow. And then describe for our viewers, what are uterine fibroids?
Sure. Uterine fibroids are benign growths that we see on the uterus or inside the uterus. A very common finding. A lot of women will develop uterine fibroids throughout their life, and we're seeing on the screen here what fibroids can look like and where they can grow on the uterus.
And then talk about some of the symptoms that women will experience.
Yes, the most common presenting symptom is heavy, prolonged periods. Sometimes patients can present to us with symptoms of constipation, urinary urgency, and that's largely because of the size of the fibroids. As they grow, they can put pressure, they can cause pain, and they can put pressure on the organs next to them.
Wow. And what are the treatment options available?
Right now, the treatment options are you either treat medically the symptoms to relieve the symptoms. Your OBGYN will recommend, if you're not responding to your to medical treatment, a surgical option. There are two surgical options. There are myomectomies and hysterectomy. But I'm here to talk about another alternative, which is the uterine fibroid embolization.
And talk about that. It's called UFE for short. How does it differ from the other options?
Absolutely. So we have been doing uterine fibroid embolization for a long period of time, for 20 plus years, and it is such a highly effective procedure. We're looking at the screen here. You're seeing the artery that is feeding the fibroid in the pelvis, and this is before we take out that blood supply to the fibroid, and you'll get to see in a second here, after we take out the blood supply, what it would look like. And this is just looking at the screen. This is what I look at when I'm doing the procedure, looking at the blood supply and how I can take out that blood supply so I can help shrink that fibroid.
Awesome. And this is obviously better than having to go the surgical route because of the recovery time. I mean, describe how minimally invasive this really is.
Absolutely. I mean, everything is done through an IV tubing in the groin, very short recovery period, not several weeks, just like surgery. This is done in an outpatient clinic, in our clinic. It's a same-day procedure. You get to go home. There's some symptoms of cramping afterwards that may last for about a week, but that's about it.
Wow, amazing. And I understand this can really be life-changing for women experiencing fibroids.
Absolutely. Yeah, I'm very passionate about this. I wanted to get the word out because this is an option for you. If you're suffering from uterine fibroids that are symptomatic, please let us know.
Wonderful. And I'm sure the reaction from your patients is one of just relief.
Oh, it's great. It's one of the more satisfying procedures that we do, just seeing the relief when we see them for follow-up, for sure.
Wow. Thank you so much, Doctor, for chatting with me. And we want to let you know how you can find out much more about VIVA. So they are located at 6600 West Broad Street, Suite 200 in Richmond. They are operating from Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. If you have questions, ladies, if you're dealing with fibroids and you're interested after watching this segment, feel free to give them a call. 804-581-8100, the number on your screen there. You can also go online to find more information at vivarichmond.com or send an email to info@vivarichmond.com.